you are going to learn step by step how to make a home remedy that I've taught thousands of people to use to decongest. So this remedy, it's so simple, but don't be fooled by simplicity. And I think you're going to be really actually surprised at how easy this is, but it's a super, super powerful decongestant remedy. So let's just go ahead and dive in. What we're going to do is we're going to take some common kitchen spices that are decongesting and we're going to mix them into honey. So let me show you how to do this. Let's just dive right in. So what we're going to do, again, turmeric decongestant honey, and we're going to put in half a cup of honey. And you can use any kind of honey that you want your honey to not be cooked. You want it to be raw. And we're going to put in a tablespoon of turmeric and a tablespoon of ginger. And then we're going to put in half a teaspoon of cardamom, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of clove. Now, what you want to do is make sure that all of your spices are dried and powdered, right? So basically we're mixing dried powdered spices into our honey, right? Just like that. And you want to mix it up really well. And then once you do this, once you have this honey, you've got it. And you can just store it in your cupboard. You don't need to put it in the refrigerator. And again, we mix it up really well, and there you have it. There's your decongestant honey. Now you just store it in the cupboard or in the cabinet in your pantry, and you have it for when you need it. Now, this is a strong remedy. Black pepper and cloves are not usually spices that are used for children under 8. And it's not an everyday remedy. It's for when you need it, It's for when you've got a lot of snot. It's a snot stopper, right? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take some hot water and you'll pour it in your cup, and then you'll add a teaspoon to a tablespoon of your honey to your hot water, right? So, the sweetness of the honey provides a soothing base for the warm heat of the spices. And the honey itself is also warming and helps to break up mucus. So in this formula, you've got turmeric, ginger, and black pepper, cloves, and cardamom. All of those spices are very warming. They're invigorating herbs that increase warmth, circulation, and they help to break up and decongest a mucus. And so especially black pepper is a very powerful decongestant, and it helps to break up congestion in the chest and the sinuses. Again, these spices are all very, very warming, and especially, again, the pepper and the cloves, they are actually heating. So if you have a cold where you're already hot and dry with no snot, this is not your remedy. But if you have allergies or a cold with lots of dripping, you know what? This is good. This is going to help just move all that gunk out of your head, and you are going to feel decongested. So you can drink 1 to 2 cups a day. Again, with the pepper in here, this isn't going to be a tea like where you're like, oh yeah, I'm going to drink this tea every day. So this is a remedy specifically, it's a snot stopper. It's specifically to decongest a really runny, mucusy, prolific allergies where just, you feel like the front of your face is falling off, right? So you can drink a couple cups of this for a couple days, up to a week, and it will definitely help you decongest. I hope you don't need this remedy, but if you do, it is going to help you. And yeah, you can just store this in your cabinet, and so when someone comes over and it just looks like they could use a little decongesting, you can make them a nice cup of tea. You just add the decongestant honey to the water and just let it cool down, and there you go, to your health.